fairly deep in there. Jeez. Okay, so that's on there. We're going to set the preload on this. As you can see, it's flushed perfectly without any preload on. So what I want to do now is back it out 3 half turns, and that should be 1 full. So that's 1, 2, 3. That's 1 full turn. And like the video, sorry that the camera angle wasn't showing me backing this out, but if you want to move this forward, you turn it towards you. Turn this towards you, and if you want to back it out, you turn it towards the engine. So it's on there. This should give you a lot more horsepower with your tune. This is how my setup is right now. I got some heat wrap around the intake right now because it's summer and it's horrible out here. The heat is very bad. So, and I also have a zip tie around this catch can thing here. I'm trying to keep this on. Sometimes when this thing is pulling, and I'm pulling the engine, and when I'm accelerating at high speeds, this thing tends to come off. So I just put like a zip tie around it. It should be fine, but I just want to have extra safety because when you're driving, you don't notice that this comes off. So there, I'm just gonna. I kept this here so I can be able to pull on it if it's not tight enough. But yeah, if you have a Chevy Cruze, the BNR actuator will give you the power that you need, and most definitely make this car feels like a V6. When I put the tune on, it was almost like night and day. Alright, so hopefully you guys liked the video. Sorry that the camera angle wasn't showing me backing this out. Thank you for watching the video and appreciate you guys.